GoPro cameras, I don't know if I've ever been so disappointed in them. So, the world of action cameras isn't perfect, guys, and GoPro has always had their problems, but they stood above the others just because they had some features that the other ones didn't have. And namely, that feature that I pointed back to since the GoPro Hero 5 has been GPS. GPS is awesome for content creators. It's awesome for motorcycle riders. Being able to get that HUD display, get your speed, get your G-forces, map your ride, see your distance, all that stuff is extremely cool. And what did they just do with the GoPro Hero 12 release today but take that away? That's correct. They added some cool features. They finally put the little tripod connection between the arms down here so that you can put a GoPro straight on a tripod with no adapter. That's awesome. They extended the battery life. That's fantastic. Now, with the new GoPro Hero 12, you can shoot vertical shots without turning the camera vertical, which is perfect for TikTok and Reels and all that stuff. And that made me excited because I thought, okay, the issue with mounting these under a visor, mounting them upside down or sideways, is that the GPS sensor was on top. And if you have the camera sideways, you don't get GPS signal. I thought, okay, now we'll be able to keep the camera straight up, shooting vertical with perfect GPS signal. And then I found out shortly after that they took away the GPS. It's absolutely mind-blowing to me. I have reached out to GoPro and haven't heard back. I don't know if they're planning on bringing it back in the next installment with the GoPro 13 next year or what. But it appears from the best thing I can figure out that the GPS was using a lot of power and therefore was contributing to the overheating issues and the battery usage. So the way they got around that and extended the battery usage was by ditching the GPS. It's a huge bummer, guys, and I now have no reason to stay with GoPro. I'll probably still pick up a 12 and test it. It's still got a lot of cool features, but after this move, I might have to snag a DJI Osmo for action as well because they just added a way to use GPS with theirs. So what do you guys think?